Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today we have a 2018 Ram 1500. This is an Eco Diesel. So we're doing the fuel filter. So first things first, we're gonna pull this drain plug out from the base of it. We're gonna get the pressure off of it. Let it drain out for a second. It's a pretty simple job. I don't have like the special socket for this, so we're just going to use channel locks. This is my personal truck, so if anything breaks, I guess I gotta deal with it from there. Channel locks. Ooh. That's loose enough in my hands. Yep. Ugh. The dry shaft's like splashing me, so. So the filter I got is a Mopar filter. It's only $10 more than the ones you'd get at the parts store. I mean, I would recommend it. They're telling me 20,000 miles is when I'm supposed to change this. I'm right at 20, so. Gonna change it per manufacturer's suggestion when I was in there for an oil change that they gave me for free, since my truck had issues from day one after driving off of the lot. I don't know if any of you Eco guys have had issues with yours. I'm waiting to see what future issues bring. It's my first diesel. So that's 20,000 miles. I wasn't expecting it to be that dirty. I guess any diesel guys would know. So just gonna put the new O-ring on here. This only goes in one way, the filter does. If you put it in backwards, it's like the old cartridge filters. It'll crush the bottom like that, goes into the cap. Let's see. Snaps in there. And then you have a seal. We want to make sure it's lined up. Tighten it down. It did not come with a new seal for this guy, which is odd because like when you do oil filters, they come with the if it has a drain plug, it comes with that seal, but I guess it's something that gets replaced with the cap. But that's it. 20,000 miles, change those. I guess they do get pretty dirty pretty quick. Filter's only like $38 at the dealership. I recommend using a dealer fuel filter when you're dealing with warranty issues or warranties to keep from having issues with your warranty. I've seen where people have been screwed around by the manufacturer over stuff that they used in their vehicle that voided the warranty. But check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe. As things break on this diesel, you will see videos of it. Hopefully not that many and not for a while, but that's it for the day. And as always, keep wrenching.